Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking and duplicating the background so you can always revert. This is essential. Once done, expand the canvas or make a marquee selection where the background should continue. Then choose Edit Content-Aware Fill to generate a quick base. This gives you intelligent texture and color sampling. Make sure to refine the sampling area and output to a new layer. This first pass saves time and gives you a workable fill that you will blend and clean up next. Next, you refine the automated fill so the extension reads naturally. Use the clone stamp at low opacity for subtle texture building. Sample nearby areas often to avoid repeating patterns. Then apply the patch tool to swap in larger matching areas and remove obvious seams. Make sure to use layer masks and soft brushes to blend edges and reveal underlying texture gradually. As you work, toggle visibility to check for repeating artifacts. This combination creates a seamless continuation that matches tone and detail. To finish, harmonize color and texture so the new area integrates. You should add a clipped curves or levels adjustment to tweak brightness and color balance. This matches the extension to the original background. Then apply subtle noise or sharpening to replicate film grain or sensor texture. If you still see mismatched areas, undo the last steps and rerun Content-Aware Fill with a refined sampling region, or use the clone stamp on a new layer. One tip: when clones look repetitive, vary sampled sources to avoid patterning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.